Angles are everywhere, but do you know the secret? Today, I'm going to guide you in a step-by-step approach to solve angle problems effortlessly. Believe me, this is very, very easy. Okay, look at the question on the board. In the diagram, EF, EF is parallel to GH. This is GH. And if angle AEF is 3x, angle AEF is 3x degrees, and angle ABC is 120 degrees, angle ABC is 120 degrees, and angle CHG is 7x degrees, angle CHG is 7x degrees. Find the value of angle GHB. Angle GHB. That's the angle what? Here. To solve this, we are going to extend this particular uh, line here so that we can have an angle here, which is B. Let's put it just B. So since line EF and line GH are parallel to each other, and the transversal line AB cuts them. So you can now see we are having an angle here, which can be, we can just put what? A, and add this one to be Y, for instance. So since that cuts it, that means the angle here is corresponding angle. The angle here is corresponding to what? This particular angle at what? Point E. Okay? So we can now simply say that A is equal to what? 3x degrees, because they are what? Corresponding angles. And corresponding angles are what? Equal. Similarly, looking at a transversal BC, it can help us to find the angle here, because angle at B, because the angle at ABH is already given to be what? 120 degrees. So since this is now a straight line, so when you add B plus 120 degrees, 120 degrees, then it should be equal to 180 degrees. The reason why we say that, because these are what? Angles. The reason why we say that this is 180, because there are angles on a straight line. So for us to get B, B will now be equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. Subtracting 120 from both sides. And this will give you that B is equals to what? 60 degrees. So the angle here is what? 60 degrees. And our next goal is to get the value for Y. And if you look well at this line, this is also a straight line, okay? And Y plus 7x degrees is also 180 degrees, because these are angles on a straight line. So I can say that Y plus this Y plus 7x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. We call it what? Angles on a straight line. Okay, so that you see that Y is equals to 180 degrees minus 7x degrees. Okay, so this particular point is 180 degrees minus. A clear observation, you can notice that we are having a triangle in here. And you know that sum of angles in a triangle adds up to be what? 180 degrees. So when we add B, we believe that our B is what? 60 degrees. So when we add 60 degrees to our A is 3x degrees, 3x degrees. Our Y is 180 minus 7x degrees. 180 minus 7x degrees is equal to what? 180 degrees. Okay? Because this is basically what? Angles in what? A triangle. This is the sum of angles in a triangle. And when you do this, you can now see that 60 degrees plus 180 degrees will give you 240 degrees. Then 3x minus 7x will give you minus 4x degrees, and it's equals to 180 degrees. So you subtract 240 degrees from both sides. minus 4x degrees is equals to 180 degrees minus 240 degrees. Then you see that minus 4x is equals to minus 60 degrees. The next thing is to divide by minus 4 and divide by minus 4. If you divide by minus 4, x is basically 15 degrees. So x is actually 15 degrees in this particular problem. But if you know well, they told us to find the angle in GHB. Angle in GHB. That's the angle at this particular point. Recall that we've gotten, okay, and you recall that we've gotten that particular angle to be y to be 180 minus 7x degrees. So all we have to do is that y is equals to 180 minus 7x degrees. We are going to plug in the value of x to be 15 degrees. So you see that y is equals to 180 degrees minus 7 into 15. Okay? And that means y is equals to 180 degrees minus 7 times 15 is 105 degrees. That means our y is equals to 75 degrees because 180 degrees minus 105 is 75 degrees. Okay? If you found this video interesting, please like, comment, and also share it to your friends. Share it to some of your friends to help them understand the theories behind angles. Bye.